Welcome to my Make a Movement project, where I utilise technology to build upon skills and enhance the ideologies of authentic learning. I have created this site to enable teachers and students to use this assignment that will incorporate the Australian curriculum of English and ICT subjects in a physical education setting. As you can see, I've chosen Year 7, and I've left out the health part and just mainly concentrated on the physical education. Technology is becoming more advanced every day, and by allowing students to explore and learn about the different ways they can create and develop products, whether it just be improving volleyball skills like in this project, they will gain valuable capabilities. Students will be using technology to analyse their own and others' performances. As you can see, it's quite important in the physical education curriculum, and developing a plan to teach others how to enhance their own skills. They may have to demonstrate and compare between people to ensure they solve any challenges that may arise, such as changing range of movements, for example, bending the knees for the set instead of keeping them straight, and how a follow through with the arms and ball can significantly affect the height and distance of flight, which you can see is part of this part of the curriculum here. In their end product, they will have the opportunity to show team and individual performance improvement. Whether they choose to use this or not is up to them, all while improving their social skills by taking on roles they may not be comfortable with, and responding to other people's thoughts and opinions in an adequate manner. A lot of their physical tasks involves collaboration and using appropriate dialogue for the task at hand. They will be required to plan and rehearse and deliver presentations specified in the English curriculum, as well as analysing and visualising data using a range of software to create their end product, as well as using them throughout their sessions. So as you can see, the ICT, they have to analyse and visualise data using a range of software, which they will be doing with GoPro, computers, laptops, phones, etc. Their presentation is obviously their end product, creating their video, educating other people on the volleyball sport, plan, rehearse and deliver presentations. So planning is a huge part of this assessment. Participating in pair, group, class, speaking and listening situations. So you can see that this assignment will cover a wide range of outcomes, learning outcomes based on the curriculum. Thank you.